welcome to Run Deals. Today I want to share with you this rechargeable nail drill. This great product is professional grade. It is very light in weight and portable, you guys. One of the best qualities is that it's rechargeable, and to recharge it, you will find this charger included in the package. It only takes 3 hours to fully charge, and you will be able to enjoy it for 15 hours continuously. In the package, you will find multiple drill bits such as the barrel, the pointy ones that you can use for buffing, polishing, as well as sanding. To use it, it's very simple. So this knob is to turn it on and to adjust the speed of this driller. So if you just turn the knob right here, you will find a digital display at the very front that shows the RPMs. And guys, this amazing driller has up to 35,000 RPMs that you can go for. One of the great qualities is that it produces almost no noise, as you can tell, and also very low heat. Now, you also have the option of changing the direction just by pressing this switch right here. And it will be denoted in the LCD display if you're going forward or in reverse. See, so that is forward, and now this will be reverse. The LCD display also shows you the battery life that you have remaining, which is always nice. So my friends, this is such a great product, very professional, super great quality, and very easy also to exchange the drill bits. So as you can see right here, you just flip it to open it up, and then you go ahead and replace the drill bits as you need. And then we lock it just like that. Simply a great product, you guys. I highly recommend it, and I really hope you will enjoy it. I will see you next time. Bye.